The thoracic region in cockroach consists of two distinct appendages. First are the wings, which are four in number. The first pair of wing, as I have already told you, is present in mesothorax, and the second pair of wings are present in the metathorax region. Similarly, the three pairs of legs are present in prothorax, mesothorax, and metathoracic segments. Legs possesses the characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda, that is, they are segmented. The legs are similar in anatomy to that of the legs of cockroach. Leg consists of coxa, which articulates with the body. To it is attached another segment called the trochanter, which is fused with femur, followed by tibia and tarsus. The structure is similar to that of cockroach. Tarsus of each leg consists of three visible segments. The one adjoining the tibia has three pads on the ventral surface, and terminal segment bears a pair of claw, between which is a fleshy lobe called pulvillus. Wings present in the mesothoracic region is long, leathery. It is also called the tegmina because it covers the abdomen and the hind pair of wings. The hind pair of wings are broad and membranous. They are folded in fan-like manner, having a number of longitudinal folds in alternating direction. Each wing develop as a sac-like projection of the body, covering and protecting the abdomen. They also cover the tracheal opening called the spiracles. The sac-like projection of the wing flattens to a thin double membrane that encloses the trachea, nerve, and blood sinus. The cuticle thickens along the sinus to form strengthening nervures or vein. Although these veins vary in their pattern among different species, they are constant in individual of certain species where they serve for classification. That is, the membranous wings, they have markings or vein like structure. These could be considered similar to the veins that are present in the leaf. These veins vary in pattern, but every species has distinct venation which serves to identify them. Abdomen is the elongated and the last distinct segment. It tapers to the posterior end where the terminal segment is specialized for egg laying. Grasshopper abdomen consists of 11 segments. Each segment typically has dorsal tergum and ventral sternum. The abdomen does not have lateral sclerite called the pleura. The sternum of first segment of abdomen is fused with the thorax and its tergum bear on either side the oval tympanic membrane which covers the auditory sac. The terminal segments are modified in both the sexes for copulation and egg laying. In the male, the end of the abdomen is rounded, while in female, it is pointed. The terga of 9 and 10 segments are partly fused in both the sexes. In male, the tergum of 11th segment forms the supraanal plate over the anus. A small process called the sulcus projects on either side behind 10 segment and sternum of 9 segment is long and bears the subgenital plate which terminates dorsally in 2 short projection. The subgenital plate covers the male genital apparatus. This is the diagram showing the position of various segments. The presence of sulcus in both male and female grasshopper. The presence of ovipositor in female. Here, the abdomen of male seems to be rounded and pointed upwards, while the posterior tip of female abdomen is pointed and is not pointing upward. Both male and female, they have a projection called circus on each side behind the 10th segment, and sternum of 9th segment is elongated and bears a plate which is called the subgenital plate, which covers the male genital aperture. Similarly, in female, the sternum of 9th segment is elongated and the abdomen terminates in two pair of lobe with a smaller pair hidden between the larger pair of lobe. The ovipositor, which is a specialized structure present in female grasshopper, is made up of these three pair of lobes, and they help the female to lay the eggs. On the lateral side are present opening through which the air enters to the trachea via spiracles. So each segment bear one pair of spiracles. Thus, 8 pair of spiracles are present in the abdomen and 2 pair of spiracles are present in the thoracic region. वक्ष 3 खंडों का बना हुआ होता है, जिसे हम प्रोथोरैक्स या अग्रवक्ष, मीजोथोरैक्स या मध्यवक्ष व मेटाथोरैक्स या पश्चवक्ष कहते हैं। प्रत्येक सेगमेंट का बाह्य कंकाल एक्सोस्केलेटन कई प्लेट्स या स्क्लेराइड्स से मिलकर बना हुआ होता है। थोरैक्स के 3 विशिष्ट खंड या सेगमेंट को ऊपर या पृष्ठ सतह से ढकने वाले स्क्लेराइड्स प्रोनोटम, मीजोनोटम और मेटानोटम कहलाते हैं। प्रत्येक टर्गम 4 स्क्लेराइड के फ्यूजन से या प्लेट्स के फ्यूजन से मिलकर बनता है, और यह प्लेट प्रीस्कूटम, स्कूटम, स्कूटेलम और पोस्ट स्कूटेलम कहलाते हैं। यानी अग्रस्कूटम, स्कूटम, प्रशल्क व पश्च प्रशल्क। प्रत्येक खंड के पार्श्व यानी लेटरल साइड्स पर लेटरल स्क्लेराइड, जिसे प्लूरॉन कहते हैं, उपस्थित होते हैं। ये प्लूरॉन 3 स्क्लेराइड या प्लेटों के बने होते हैं। ये स्क्लेराइड अग्रपार्श्वक या एपिस्टर्नम, पश्चपार्श्वक या एपिमेरॉन व परापक्ष कंठक या पैराप्टेरॉन कहलाते हैं। प्रत्येक सेगमेंट वेंट्रल या अधर सरफेस की तरफ सिंगल स्क्लेराइट प्लेट से बना होता है जिसे स्टर्नम कहते हैं। लेग्स सेगमेंटेड या खंड युक्त होती हैं जो कि 5 खंड से बनी होती है। कॉक्सा, ट्रोकैंटर, फीमर, टिबिया, टार्सस। कॉक्सा यानी कि कक्षांग, ट्रोकैंटर जिसे हिंदी में शिखरक कहते हैं, लंबी दृढ़ फीमर, टिबिया और टार्सस। टार्सस छोटे छोटे 3 खंडों से मिलकर बना होता है जिसे टार्सोमियर्स कहते हैं या गुल्फ खंड। गुल्फ खंड के वेंट्रल या अधर सतह पर छोटी छोटी गद्दियाँ पाई जाती हैं। तीसरे व अंतिम खंड के मध्यवर्ती एक मांसल गद्दी जिसे पल्विलस या एरोलियम कहा जाता है पाई जाती है। टार्सोमियर के अंतिम सिरे पर उपस्थित नखर पाए जाते हैं जो कि एक जोड़ी या 1 पेयर होती हैं। विंग्स यानी पंख मीजोथोरैक्स और मेटाथोरैक्स सेगमेंट से निकलती हैं।